Juki HZL-LB5100 Review. Check the latest price and exclusive Prime membership offers from the Amazon link given in the description. amzn.to/closing parenthesis. The Juki is a great sewing machine for anyone just getting started. If you've never touched a sewing machine before, this Juki is easy to understand after a cursory glance at the instruction manual. An instruction DVD is also included with videos to walk you through anything you might find confusing. Some of our testers really loved this sewing machine and didn't run into any snags literally or figuratively. Others noted some issues while sewing around a curve and on satin, but overall the Juki got rave reviews, earning an A+ for ease of use. The 100 stitch patterns are listed right on the front of the machine and on a pull-out card affixed to it, so you never have to search for a misplaced stitch key. The stitches all have automatic settings as well, so newbies won't have to fiddle with stitch width, length and thread tension right away. There are only 3 styles of buttonhole, but we figure that won't be a big concern for most beginners. This is a computerized sewing machine, so changing stitches is merely a matter of adjusting the number on the LCD screen to the corresponding stitch. This is far easier than using the Juki, which requires you to manually change some stitch settings when you change the type of stitch you're using. The stitches include some of the basic ones like a straight stitch and stretch alongside some for more complicated projects like darning, applique and tacking for when you get more confident in your sewing. This Juki has a drop-in bobbin, and the process of winding it and installing it is easy if you follow either the written or video instructions. We did notice, however, that bobbin winding is super slow. While most of the sewing machines we tested took about 1 minute to completely wind a bobbin, this one took 2 minutes. This might not be a make or break feature for everyone, but it was very noticeable during our tests given we were using several machines one after the other. Aside from its slow speed, setting up the bobbin and spool of thread was easy. When it comes to speed, this Juki maxes out at 700 stitches per minute, making it the slowest of any of the machines we tested. The upside to this is it's also the quietest sewing machine we tested. Even running at full speed, it only reached 62.3 decibels. For reference, a refrigerator usually runs at about 50 decibels and a ringing telephone is about 80 decibels. During testing, our reviewers had a lot of positive things to say about this sewing machine. Though one noted the stitches didn't work as well on satin and sewing along a curve was a bit of a battle. The straight stitch was very straight though, the fun decorative stitches worked well and the zigzag stitch didn't stretch any of the fabrics we used in a weird way, so it earned a B for sewing accuracy. This sewing machine comes with 5 extra feet, including one for sewing satin and one for blind hems. This is mid-range among the machines we tested, as some like the Singer Stylist come with 9 extra feet.